So we just
So sea moss, why is it special in Jamaica to have the Jamaican version?
Well, as I said, Jamaica is located on the 33 parallel. Jamaica is specially located in the world. So in the Atlantic, of course, in this section, you'll definitely find a more sacred, more potent products. The same way our herbs are different, the people are different. We're not being, arrogant, but healing. It's very important. So we know that geographic location is very important for a lot of things. And the sea moss is no different. It's no different from a plant.
Like how?
It grows just like color. It grow wild. What happened is our people gonna start polluting the sea, the ocean. So you see, the seaweed is very important, just as the herbs on land are very important. The sea and the herbs in the sea is just as important. Remember, over 75% of our body is water.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to what happened? The fish eat this. Why eat the fish, Randy? Eat like the fish.
Got it.
And that's the important. Over 92 minerals and vitamins is locked in this. Your body requires 105. This is a supplement. This is a complete supplement. We talk about magnesium, iron, calcium, vitamin A, B,